Myself is Anjana Pawar, HGM College, Karad. In last lecture, we solved some example based on the composite theorem. Now, today we again start examples for same composite theorem. So, write down my examples. The example is differentiate with respect to x. So, my first example, y is equal to 3 upon 5 third root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to the power 5 third root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to the power 5. First we can check here given example in term of standard form या composite form. So here आपको देख के ही पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ पे given function in composite form. पहला कंपोजिट फॉर्म हुआ है रूट के थर्ड रूट में. सो हम लोग फर्स्ट दिस एग्जांपल वी कैन राइट 3 upon 5 इज कांस्टेंट मल्टीप्लाई 1 upon थर्ड रूट. सो 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 5 रेज्ड टू द पावर 5/3. सो दिस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ x रेज्ड टू n. सो दिस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ x रेज्ड टू n. यहाँ पे दिस टर्म इज नॉट x, is other than x. So x square 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to the power 3/5. So first we can solve this example in term of x raised to n. So y is equal to 3 upon 5 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to the power minus 5/3. This is your example simplified form. So 3/5 is constant term. This is composite form is term of x raised to n. So we can first differentiate with respect to x. इस टर्म को हम लोग x कंसीडर करके डेरिवेटिव निकालने वाले हैं. So what is the derivative of x raised to n? The formula is n x raised to n minus 1. So derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 3/5 is constant. Take it outside. Derivative of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to the power 5/3 with respect to x. This is compared with x raised to n form. So what is the derivative? N in front and x raised to n minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 5 as it is multiply minus 5/3 again 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to the power minus 5/3 minus 1. But this is not x. So again a derivative of this term. So again a derivative of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 with respect to x. Given this form is u minus v minus w. So again we can use here differential rule of differentiation. So 3 cancel, 5 cancel. So dy by dx is equal to minus as it is 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to the power. We can simplify here minus 8/3 and again a derivative of this term. 2 is constant. What is the derivative of x square? Is 2x. So 4x minus 7 is constant. Take it outside. What is the derivative of x? Is 1 and minus 5 is constant. The derivative is 0. So answer is minus 7. So this we can simplify. Dy by dx is equal to minus 4x minus 7 divided by 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to the power 8/3. Raised to the power 8/3. Now next example. Y is equal to second y is equal to root of x square plus root of x square plus 1. Root of x square plus root of x square plus 1. So given example we can identify first it is a composite form या it is a standard form. So given function is not a standard form. It is a composite form. किसमें कंपोज हुआ है? रूट में कंपोज हुआ है. रूट ऑफ x में अदर देन x है. सो अदर देन x क्या है? x स्क्वायर प्लस रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस 1. सो यहाँ पे गिवन फंक्शन इज कंपोजिट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. विच स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? रूट ऑफ एक्स. सो वी कैन फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. सो डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. सो dy by dx is equal to what is the derivative of root of x? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के हिसाब से 1/2 रूट ऑफ एक्स. यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? 1/2 रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1. बट दिस इज नॉट माई एक्स, सो वी कैन अगेन अ डेरिवेटिव. सो अगेन अ डेरिवेटिव एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 with respect to x. Now this term u plus v form. U plus v form, again we can use here rules of differentiation. Suppose your form is u plus v, we can separate the derivative of u, we can separate the derivative of v. So we get here 1/2 root of x square plus root of x square plus 1 is as it is. Now we can find derivative here. What is the derivative of x square? So answer is 2x. But this is again not a standard form. It is a composed with root of x square plus 1. So यहाँ पे हम लोग फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x square plus root of x square plus 1 का लेंगे और उसके बाद किस में कंपोज हुआ है? x square plus 1 में कंपोज हुआ है. So देखेंगे यहाँ पे this 2 upon 1/2 root x square plus root x square plus 1 as it is. This 2x as it is. Derivative of root x we consider here standard form function. This is not x but we consider here x. So what is the derivative of root x? 1/2 root x. So 1/2 root x. x की जगह क्या है? x square plus 1 है. So x square plus 1 and again a derivative because this is a composite form. So again a derivative of composite term x square plus 1 with respect to x. Now this is as it is 2x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root x square plus root of x square plus 1 as it is. Inside the bracket 2x as it is plus 1/2 root x square plus 1 as it is. And what is the derivative of x square plus 1? This is a form of u plus v. U plus v again use rule of differentiation. u का डेरिवेटिव, v का डेरिवेटिव. What is the derivative of x square? Standard form 2x. So यहाँ पे होगा 2x. What is the derivative of 1? Is 0. So 2 cancel. Now simplify 1/2 root x square plus root of x square plus 1. Now denominator is not same. Cross multiplication. So we get here 2x root of x square plus 1 plus x divided by root of x square plus 1. Now in this term x term is constant. Take it outside. So we get here 1/2 root x square plus root x square plus 1. Then x term is constant. Inside the bracket 2 root x square plus 1 plus 1 divided by root of x square plus 1. So we get a final answer. dy by dx is equal to x inside the bracket 2 root x square plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 root of x square plus 1 inside the root x square plus root of x square plus 1. So this is your final answer, which is derivative of y with respect to x. Now next example, third example, y is equal to root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. So यहाँ पे अगेन हम लोग एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करते समय y स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन में है या कंपोजिट फंक्शन में वो चेक करने वाले हैं. सो y इज इक्वल टू Your standard form in function y is equal to root of x, but here not x, here given e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. So x replaced by f of x. So this is not a standard function, this is your composite function. So we can use here composite function theorem. We can find first derivative of y with respect to x and again a derivative of f of x. So here f of x क्या है आपका e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, this is the operator, dy by dx is equal to, we consider standard form. What is the standard form? Root of x, this is my standard form. So what is the derivative of root of x? 1 upon 2 root x. So यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? 1 upon 2 root x. x क्या है मेरा? e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. But this is not my x. So we can again find out derivative of f of x. So derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 with respect to x. Now this is the form of u plus v. So u plus v, you can use here rules. We can derivative of u plus derivative of v. So is equal to 1 upon 2 root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 multiply derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2 with respect to x. Separate the derivative plus derivative of 5 with respect to x. Now this is your again not a standard form, because my standard form is e raised to x, but here x is replaced by 3x plus 2. So this is the composite form. So again we can use here composite term derivative, a composite formula 1 upon 2 root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 as it is. We compose here x is 3x plus 2. We consider a standard form. What is the derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x. So here derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2. So derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2 as it is e raised to 3x plus 2. But this is not my x. So again a derivative of 3x plus 2 with respect to x. Now here phi is a constant term. What is the derivative of constant term? Is 0. So plus 0. Now 0 plus something, we get the same answer, means 1 plus 0 we get 1. So e raised to 3x plus 2 with derivative of 2x plus 3x plus 2 plus 0, we get the same e raised to 3x plus 2 and derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2. So यहाँ पे 1 upon 2 root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 as it is. Now derivative of e raised to 3x plus 2, so derivative is e raised to 3x plus 2 and again a derivative of 3x plus 2. 3 is a constant, take it outside. X derivative is 1. 2 is a constant, derivative is 0. So answer here 3. So we get a final answer dy by dx is equal to 3 e raised to 3x plus 2 divided by 2 root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. Now one more example we can write. Write down the fourth example. Y is equal to cot raised to the power 3 into log of x cube. Okay. Now again this is your not a standard form because given here cot raised to 3. So this is your not a standard form, this is a composite form. So हम लोग this is a composite form, standard form में लिखेंगे y is equal to cot inside the bracket log x cube whole raised to the power 3, because यहाँ पे power 3 लिखने की वजह से मैंने raised to the power bracket की power 3 लिखे. So this is composed with x raised to n form. So पहले हम लोग x raised to n form का डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे. Then after किस में कंपोज हुआ है? cot में कंपोज हुआ है. सो देन आफ्टर हम लोग कॉट का डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे, लेकिन कॉट के अंदर एंगल x है क्या? नहीं है। क्या है? log of x क्यूब है। सो अगेन वी कैन फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log of x क्यूब। अगेन log of x क्यूब में यहाँ पे x है क्या? नहीं है, यहाँ पे x क्यूब है। सो दिस इज माई एग्जैक्टली स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। सो हमें पहले क्या करना है? x रेज टू n फॉर्म से डेरिवेटिव निकालना है, देन आफ्टर हमें कॉट का डेरिवेटिव निकालना है, देन आफ्टर हमें log x क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव निकालना है, और लास्ट में हमें x क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव निकालना है। सो यहाँ पे फंक्शन पहले x रेज टू n फॉर्म पहला कंपोज हुआ, देन आफ्टर कॉट में, देन आफ्टर log में, एंड देन आफ्टर x क्यूब में। सो जितनी बार आपका कंपोजिशन हुआ है तो वी कैन यूज हियर चेन रूल। एक के हिसाब के हम लोग अगले अगले फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव निकालते जाएंगे। सो यहाँ पे डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x। सो dy बाई dx पहले हम लोग स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कौन सा लेंगे? x रेज टू n का। सो क्या होगा x रेज टू n का? n x रेज टू n माइनस 1। सो यहाँ पे 3 cot log x क्यूब रेज टू द पावर 2। अगेन डेरिवेटिव कंपोज, ये x नहीं है इसलिए हम लोग अगेन उसका डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे, cot log of x क्यूब। व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot? वी कैन कंसीडर हियर x एंड उसके हिसाब से हम लोग cot का डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे। व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot? माइनस cos x स्क्वायर। सो dy बाई dx इज इक्वल टू 3 cot log x क्यूब रेज टू द पावर 2 मल्टीप्लाई माइनस cos x square inside the bracket log x cube. But again this is not my x, so again we can find the derivative of log of x cube. So derivative of log of x cube with respect to x, log of x cube with respect to x. Again this is not my x, so we can find the derivative of log of x first. What is the derivative of log of x? 1 upon x. But this is not my x, so again we can find the derivative of x cube. So dy by dx is equal to 3 cot log x cube raised to the power 2. Again derivative of cot minus cos x square log of x cube. Again the derivative of log 1 upon x cube. But log derivative is 1 upon x cube, and again a derivative of x cube with respect to x. This is your last standard form. So we get a final answer. dy by dx is equal to minus 3 cot, this minus sign will be given front, cot log x cube raised to the power 2 multiply cosec log of x cube multiply 1 upon x cube multiply what is the x cube derivative? 3x square. So we get final answer, which is dy by dx is equal to, cancel out, so 3 multiply 3 9 minus 9 cot log x cube raised to the power 2 multiply cosec square log of x cube divided by x. So this is my last answer. I hope you understand whole problems. Now next lecture we can solve one more examples for same composite function. Thank you very much.